Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys had a great night. Um, man, we took GJ sales earlier, but we got stopped out after securing 10 pips, and now it's freaking dropping. All right. So now looking at GJ, just need to see what's gonna do here at this support. I'm gonna wait for this music to load. Uh, doo, doo, doo. All right. Good morning, Stacy. Stacy, were you the one that asked a question about the 2 days trading webinar? Because your YouTube name is the same, so I'm just trying to make sure if that was you. All right. No worries, Stacy. Ah, all right, EJ's following suit. Funny enough, Funny enough, recently, so far throughout this week, an hour before London Open, all of a sudden we just start to see some volume. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, so GG is just gonna keep dropping. Good morning, Pratap. I took this sale earlier. Like I said, but got stopped out at 10 pips because we had this 5 minute trend line here, number one. And then secondly, we just kept on rejecting this resistance. So when price broke out of this trend line, and then I had my entry right here, stops above, and actually my target was back to these lows here because I believe if GJ should break below this support here, then we might reject 163 because we overall bullish. Um, so, and I would still be in the trade right now. GG just did a lot of freaking pullbacks, um, but still made some money though. If GJ does not give me a pullback, I'm not taking it. Now this thing could either continue dropping or freaking create a fake out. I'll go back to this support reject and then continue dropping, and that's what I'm actually looking for me to take this sell before London open. If not, I'm gonna keep staying away and then just wait until London open to see what's gonna happen. Good morning, Thomas. EJ, EJ is still ranging. In order for me to take sales here at all, I need GJ now that now that we do have a break below this support, right? This is what I needed to do. If it does not give me this, staying out. No trade. Except if we have like some type of bearish flip on the 15 or the 30 or even the 1 hour. Because even this candle that broke the support has no top wick. Good morning, Yvonne. Good morning, Diana. Man, my internet kind of sucks today. Good morning, Edwes. It's kind of slow, I think. According to YouTube, YouTube is saying yeah, according to YouTube, the stream is fluctuating between poor, good, and excellent. So damn, it's crazy though. Like, um, for whatever reason, this week so far, an hour before London Open, all of a sudden the volume will just. Uh, so GJ did this yesterday as well. Exactly at this time, he just started pushing up without no pullback, and then we had that massive drop down in London. But if it does not retest this support, I'm not getting it. Because if I was not streaming, if I was only gonna trade London session, I wouldn't catch all this at all. Regardless of whatever is happening in the market, if it does not correlate with your trading plan, with your trade setup, do not take that trade. Even if it means you might miss out on that trade, just wait. Wait until you see your setup, the same setup that you've been using, that has always worked for you. And I promise you, you will gonna keep being profitable consistently. Forget about what GG is doing now. Because, for example, if we go to the 30-minute time frame here, we do not have closure below this support here. If you are on the 30-minute, this would have been impulse entries. Yes, it's working out. But then again, this 30-minute candle has no top wick. Now, just because this is going on right now doesn't mean you're gonna get opportunities like this. Plus, there are possible buys that I'm anticipating here at around 163,500, 163,400. And if I'm going to take buys down here, I'm going to need some type of resistance to be formed, right? I'm going to need some type of resistance. We come down and reject, we're going to need some type of resistance to be formed, or a rejection and then some type of retest back to this support, and then a continuation. Because we could continue bearish. Now we could come down. We could come down to back to this support, and then go back up to this previous support at 164, we test it and then start dropping again. Since we broke below this support, so we just gotta wait for our trade setup to happen. Once we see it, and then we get in the trade. Alright, maybe EJ will give us the retest. And a special announcement, guys. Um, I'll actually order from that. I'll order for that until everything is in place. So never mind. Man, I really want EJ to pull back, man. I should get a nice move back to this support. I know, right? But if it doesn't pull, if it does not give me some type of retest, I'm not taking this sell. Even though it has all these candles here. Clean cells, man, and this thing is stupid. Look, let me tell you guys something. It takes a lot of discipline for me not to have taken these GJ cells and these EJ cells right now. It takes a lot of discipline. This is all discipline. Me seeing all this and not pushing the sell button, that's discipline. So if you're wondering what discipline is, this is discipline right here. Uh, it's better now, Andres. Maybe your internet is bad too. Uh, refresh your YouTube. Let me just look at what EJ wants to do here. I need some type of pullback, man. Retest something. Now, EJ, if this 30-minute candle closes below and we have a bearish flip, probably we'll take it. Give me a second, guys. Got to pick up a phone call real quick. All right. Man. Damn. EJ might be the sell we might take, but we'll see. But then again, we have like 33 more minutes for London Open. Look like a potential fake out. This new 5-minute candle, I'm gonna wait for it to close, and we'll see what happens. See how this candle is gonna close. Oh man. Good morning. Good morning, Ahmed. It said GJ sell when it breaks the 30-minute lows. What do I think? Yeah, if it breaks below 163, 400, yeah, you got more sales. Sells here and buys here. Let's look at the news. What's going on today? Good morning, A1 Media Group. Ah, yes, A1 Media Group, yes. Good morning, Rara. Let's see what you got. Patience. Let's step into the yes, Woody. Um, if we have an entry right where I had it before, then looking at about 15 to 18 pips SL. I'm good, Michael. What about you? Nope, I didn't take GJ. I didn't take GJ. Was waiting for some type of retest before I take the sell. So GJ, like I explained earlier, I'm bearish here and I'm bullish here. If we take this sell, then we have to continue bearish when London open. if EJ should come towards this entry. So you guys can see I'm not in yet. So last couple of sessions with the mentorship and making things a lot easier to identify on the charts. A weekend closing. I appreciate your honest opinion, Rudy. Um, is this EJ? Yes. I'm gonna go with a low lot size here if EJ starts dropping because it's so close to London Open. And anything can happen with London Open. I'm in, guys. I'm in. I'm in, EJ. I'll be right back, guys.
Yeah, Amaru, I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah, feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, she turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, yo. Knows how to make me go crazy, yo. Hey, my baby is something, rolling her eyes just to let me know. Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make up, it's a movie, though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I know you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that.
I'm sorry, guys. So I said, since we're in this trade before London Open, if EJ start crossing above 143.288 or closes above that, I'm gonna close out this trade, manage my risk, cut my losses short, and if it start falling again, I'll get in again. So, and that's gonna be between 8 and 10 pips. So we'll see what happens here. Did you guys hear me now? All right. Looks like we entered off of a 15-minute bearish flip before this kind of flip bullish. Same thing was a 30-minute bearish flip. Well, we'll see if we're gonna continue. You didn't hear me? Hold on. My mic is working. Can you hear me now, Daniel? All right, cool. So I said once EJ start crossing 143 288, which is above this lower high right here, then we're getting out. When I took GJ yesterday, GJ sells somewhere around here. GJ literally did the same thing EJ is doing right now. But I stayed in. Even though GJ only gave me 10 pips, still made money. And then it eventually dropped. Thank you, Black Mass. Uh, Sometimes it could be Andres, but this is still a nice trade. The problem is when London opens, we could freaking go bullish or we could continue bearish. So that's the only thing. And that's actually why my lot size here is low. I'm not using my regular fixed lot size on this trade. That's why I decided to let you guys know what I will be doing. Even though I'm using a low lot size, if we win this trade, it's still a winner. Money is money, no matter how little or big. Money is money. Good morning, Sparkle. It's still an account growth trade, even if it's 0.1% than more than what I have. It's still an account growth. Ah, okay, full lot size, full margin, Andres, full margin. I will answer close EGF break even now for real. I'm using a lot size anyway, so uh, I'm not really bothered. So, which is what I usually do when I take a trade, like 30 minutes before any session opens. I always lower my lot size. Now, if it's an hour before, Any session opens, yeah, I'm gonna go full lot size. Damn, Herbert, five positions deep. Damn. I trade gold, but I only trade it with my premium members. Come on, EJ, I know you got 3 more minutes for this candle to close, but you can. Ooh, what the hell? Come on, EJ, give me 10 pips. Ha! Come on, EJ, give us at least 10 pips before London open. 2 more minutes, can we get it? Can we get 10 pips at least? There we go. Let's go. Give me those W's. 15 pips secured. Don't be stingy with those W's. 15 pips secured. Yep. Dude, I'm a freaking good trader. Shout out to all my haters. And if you think otherwise, well, like you say where I come from, now you sabi. Now you know. Now you sabi, now you know. Yeah, you can do whatever now. If you wanna go stop me out, I don't care. You already gave me 10 pips, but I want you to continue though. And if you don't want to continue, then it is what it is. I know, right, Ferguson? Shit, man. Can you believe that? Right before London Open, and it just freaking dropped. That's crazy. Even though if he didn't give us 10 pips, I was gonna move my stops to break even anyways. As long as we was in profit before London Open, I was gonna move my stops to break even. So now let's see if EJ is gonna give us a runner. I said London Banks went to work early. And EJ right now, I do not have a TP at the moment. Because if it keeps falling, I just want to keep riding this thing. I'm just going to continue trailing my stop loss. If we get a runner. Damn, look at GJ now. GJ is ranging. So, no trade here yet on GJ. So, we'll see what EJ is going to do here. I'm not expecting EJ to close below 143, 144, or I mean to close above 143, 144, or 143, 167. If we close above these two minor zones, then Houston, we got a problem. Then we absolutely gonna get stopped out. So we shall see what's gonna happen here. Alright, let's record this. Uh, I'll wait for that to load. And look at this 5 minute bullish candle. It has no bottom wick. Alright. Alright, I'm stopped out. Now we just look for more. We look for another entry. Maybe 175. So far, we're having a very good start to October. So we'll see if we're gonna finish strong. We're having a good start though. Alright. We're gonna delete all this. Now, if EJ breaks above 143,288 and breaks above this support, it's time to look for buys. It's time to get ready for buys. For now, we're still looking for more sells. Come on now, Andres, why didn't you take no partials? I don't do break-even trades. I need 10 pips at least before I move my stops to BE. 10 pips, I'm taking partials, they're moving my stops to BE. Alright, currently we're looking for more sales on EJ. So let's see um, if we can get that. Now, if I take another sale now, I will go full margin. I mean, no full margin. I mean, my fixed regular lot size. Oh, you was at 8 pips? Man, when London opened, you should have moved. Oh, yes, you did move yourselves to BE. You should have taken something also. But it's all good. At least you didn't lose any money. Mm. GJ right now, if we didn't have this support right here, with this candle, I would have taken buys. Now, if this candle breaks this support, and if GJ gives me an entry somewhere here, and I have at least a 1-to-1, I'm gonna take it. If not, I'm gonna keep waiting. Because you gotta be careful with these buys right now on GJ. You don't wanna get faked out. Even though this is a great demand setup for a buy, just didn't want to take it because of this support here. He could still reject it. Now, the possible play I'll be looking for right now is for GJ to give me this, some type of retest, and then continue. If I do not see that setup, best believe I'm not taking anything. You hear me? Zero. Zero trade. Just like we did on EJ, looking for something similar, if not the same. Yep, previous bullish candle rejected the lower highs. Now let's see if this candle is gonna break it or flip bearish and start coming down. Alright, GJ rejected the support also. It could still break above it or continue coming down. So we're still gonna keep waiting. Oh, damn. I just saw something now that I missed. Where was this? Oh, I would have missed it anyways. No, I wouldn't have. Alright. Still interesting. How you said if discipline was the person? Why do you say that? How it would be me? Yeah, it takes a lot of discipline to eventually be successful at trading. And when I best believe, trust me when I tell you that when it comes to discipline in the forex market, when you've blown so many accounts, when you've blown so many accounts, no one is going to teach you how to be disciplined in this market. You will teach yourself. That's if you're passionate about trading. No one is going to teach you. because you can't teach discipline. There is no Forex mentor that will say, "Oh, you know what? You're not disciplined when it comes to trading. Don't worry, I got you. I can teach you discipline." You can't. It's unteachable. Discipline in trading is unteachable. You got to teach yourself. It's hard, but you have to teach yourself. I should make a vlog about my day in my life. I will. It's coming. My life is boring though, but I will still make it anyways. I plan on it. You're not gonna see a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or freaking McLaren or freaking Bugatti in a day in my life when I make the video though. Just FYI. I'm just a 37-year-old regular Forex trader like you guys. I don't I don't fancy all those luxurious cars. To me, they're nothing but liabilities. It's by choice. Everybody has their own opinions. I don't fancy it. And moreover, if it's not a truck, it's not for me. I love trucks. Alright, GJ, are you gonna give me my setup here? If you don't give it to me, then goodbye to you. I'm gonna wait until you give it to me. Now, for sure, we've got a support here. Alright. How okay about the cars? Yeah, it's a channel of trading. Some people care. Trust me. If I was showing Lamborghinis, McLaren, and all those luxurious cars and stuff, my channel would be at 100k subscribers by now. Because that's what people want to see. A lot of new traders, they don't care about this, they care about your lifestyle. Well, I want to see how this candle is gonna close. Um, yeah, I won't be taking buys in this range. I'm not gonna get a one-to-one. But if we fall, we could get another 10 pips. We'll see. Good morning, Nigel. And for those of you that have been asking about the 2-day trading webinar slash bootcamp coming up on the 15th and 16th, the link is down below in the description. And trust me, it is gonna be fire. I mean, you can ask the people who attended the August one, and they will tell you. We got a nice 1-to-1 here. We shall see if we're gonna get sales here or if we're gonna continue bullish. It all depends on how this candle closes. All right, it's trying to flip bullish now. If GJ gives us some type of retest here, we definitely can get a 1-to-1 here, but I don't think we're gonna see that happening. Have I ever done crypto? I invest in crypto, but I don't trade crypto. I don't think we're gonna see more sales here. Come on, GJ, come down all the way back to this support and close bearish. Oh yeah, we're gonna get at least a 1-to-2 here at least. If GJ pulls back to this support. We'll see though. We shall see. GJ completely ignored this support here and now does not want to retest it again. If we do not retest it here, we absolutely should retest it above 164,400, 164,500. And you know what's gonna be cool, guys? If we get to 164,400 and reject, I'm taking sell. I'm taking sales back to this support. So we'll see. Yeah, we do not have at least a one-to-one here. So I'm going to be staying out of EJ in this range. If we start falling, I'm taking sells. Come on now, don't start dropping like that. Pull back a little bit more. I need a better entry. Currently, EJ rejected off of a minor support that became a minor resistance. So we could continue dropping here. Let's see, and this could just be a retest of this previous support for price to continue going bullish. But if we start breaking the bearish candle lows, EJ should fall. And if it does not fall, we're gonna cancel this short position too. I'm not in yet. Not in yet. All right, boom, I'm in. I'm in. I am in. I am in. Let's see what happens. What? GJ is still below, is still above this support. It has to break below it. Man, if GJ goes bullish, EJ is tripping. EJ is tripping. If GJ goes bullish, then EJ is going to follow suit. But as of right now, GJ could be just a break and retest of this zone. Fully bullish. Um, Trying to catch GJ if he decides to go up, but then I wanna. So as long as GJ stays above this support here to the right, then GJ could go up. But if it closes below, then you got sales coming. I'm on EJ. What did you take? Buys or sells? Good morning, Jay Smith. GJ is trying to fake people here. I'm not in GJ. Because it could still fall. So I'm not in it. At this point, if you were not in EJ already, I mean, you shouldn't have got in right now. Yeah, you shouldn't have got in, Andres. Because at this point, you need to wait and see if it's going to close below this support again and start dropping before you take the sells. So I'm watching it. If it start crossing above 143, 349, I'm getting out. Even though my stop loss is just for 15 pips, but I'm getting out. Mm-hmm. Yes. but it could still fall. It could still fall because the rejection the rejection here happened at a minor support turned minor resistance. That's where we rejected off, and it could fall. But if this candle flips bullish, um, I think it should continue pushing up. But for now, I'm still gonna keep watching it because it could still close below this support because of this rejection at the top. Um, Including EJ. It could still fall as well, and it could continue pushing up. So, damn, look at me going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Because I don't want to miss out on this GJ if it pushes up, yeah. All right, I'm out. I'm out on EJ. Oh, I'm out at 7 pips. I'm out at 7 pips on EJ. That's crazy. We go faked out on that one. All right. Even if GJ decides to go up here, I'm anticipating a sell continuation at this resistance. Um, See, we would have been stopped out. I'd rather cut my losses short, and that's what we just did with EJ. That's how you cut your losses short. Right now, GJ is looking like buys as of right now. So this is gonna be the last trade of the day. And maybe we could have one win and one loss. I'm gonna update my journal and all that, but I'm just waiting on this EJ buys. If it closes below this support, then GJ should continue falling. EJ just played a dirty game right here. Dirty game. Still waiting, guys. Not in yet. Actually, let me put the test in here. I'm in. Oh, oh, GJ. Oh, GJ. 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 GJ, don't try to play dirty just like EJ did. Don't even dare. This candle went up 8 pips from my entry.
around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking. Gave you bricks, now you building. A wall up, baby, you and I've been all love. All love, I don't know what's up with our love. Our love, you forgetting all about us. Oh. My jolie, oh my jolie, where are you? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting, girl, you got me. Called your bluffing, made you something, now you talking. Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? My jolie, oh my jolie. My jolie, oh my jolie. You don't turn on me now. You don't get no time for me now, babe. Got him on a rebound, but it's only you that I like, babe. Tout ce que j'ai fait, c'était pour toi. Sur le haut parlement, t'écoutes pas.
If GJ should start breaking below this resistance, I'm gonna be getting ready to get out of this trade because now we're rejecting these highs again. Oh, alright. I need to get me bottled water real quick. Just a second. I'm gonna wait, see what this thing is doing. Playing too many games. I'll be right back, guys, to get me water.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. On me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby. The things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they want me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, hey. Fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. Fashionably late. Wind up on the place, not all of the guys want you. She shut it down and knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you could flip us. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for Glover. Yeah. Girl, you looking better than the photos. Need more of your time, so I'm watching you in slow-mo. Yeah. Busy schedule, but it doesn't really matter when it comes to you. Yeah. I can wait till we're together, I can never get enough of you. Yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah. Yeah. She got that vibe, she got that go-go. Oh. She mesmerized with her eyes when she's so close. Yeah. You gon' see when you get to know me. I'll be right beside you when you're lonely. How you be swinging with that body, put it on me. Woo. Won't you be the body in my story? She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world.
Damn, I've been talking all this time. Oh man, I didn't know I was on mute. Damn, I hope you guys got out here once you started crossing this. Shoot. Look at this, man. Now it's freaking dropping. It's all good though. This is shit. This is all part of freaking trading. This is what happens sometimes. I get what you're saying, J Smith, but this buy trade here could have went either way. Now I explained why I got into these buys, right? Now I talked about the initial rejection here because of this minor support, the initial rejection before we got any buys. But now, when this candle did not close below this support and it flipped bullish, I was like, okay, now as long as we stay below this support, there could still be room for buys here. But obviously that didn't happen, so that's why we took the buys. But instead, for price to break this same rejection zone, it just kept on rejecting it, could not break above, and obviously now we fell. And you got it and took it back down. Nice, nice, congratulations. Um, well, it is what it is, man. Uh, one win, two losses. Basically a break-even day for me. That would be three losses. As we took a loss on EJ sales, the re-entry we took, and now we took a loss on GJ buys. 115, so that would be 116. Alright, for whatever reason, I've not been able to get past 72% so far. Very interesting. Yeah, the market is really not clean right now. It's just playing too many games. Yeah, London session is not clean right now at the moment. Well, oh, so guys, that's that. And like I said, the 2 days trading webinar and bootcamp. If you're interested in that, the link is going to be down below in the description. The Discord is also down below in the description as well. What about gold? Last time I checked gold is not doing nothing. Gold is not doing nothing. And earlier I said, oh man, I missed something. That was NAS. I missed out on NAS sales. And NAS also now is just freaking ranging. Would have made some money though. But it's currently ranging at the moment. Man. At this point, look for yourselves below, not below 163,550, because even if we break 163,550, we could come down to 163 400 and then reject and then freaking go bullish again. Now obviously if you're not in sales right now, wait and see if we're gonna break below 163 400 and then you can possibly take your sales all the way down to 162 600. But the way this thing is falling, it should at least get to 163 400. So that's that. This sell GJ is doing right now, the rejection here, honestly, should have got all the way back up to these highs before it actually rejected and start coming down, just like EJ did. But I kind of knew that GJ was gonna fall when I looked at EJ and EJ already rejected this resistance. I kind of knew this was gonna happen, but good morning, Andre. The funny thing about trading is, look this. Now, if you were just, let's say, you just hopped on to trade London session, right? You just hopped on to trade London session and you saw this, then you would have been like, okay, looks like we have a supply zone here, Therefore, my main focus is going to be these candles right here. Right? My main focus will be this candle right here because we definitely created a supply zone right there. And then you wait for this candle to close, except if you want to get in aggressively. And then you have that. And then your TP1 is going to be right back to this liquidity zone here, but where we started going up. And it came right down there. Right, price came right back down to this same freaking liquidity zone, and now we could potentially break below it, or we could actually continue going up again from here. And then now what do we have here? We could reject here. Now if we do reject here, you can wait for this bullish candle to close and you can have an entry above this previous bearish candle high and just target all the way back to the supply, because we do have gaps here to fill. But we could continue falling. So this is what you need to wait for if you're looking to take buys from here back up to this supply. You need to wait for that setup to happen before you do that, because we could still break these freaking lows here. Alright, anyways. I will be trading New York at this point because I ain't made no money today, so I have to make some money today. The money I made, they already took it back, so it's been taken back. Um, I'm gonna wait 30 more minutes, yeah? To see if there could be any trade set up here before I leave. So GJ more sales below 163 450, 163 400. And now if we, okay, you know what? Let's redo some analysis here. All right. Now you can do this here based off the 4 hour. You got your 4 hour. Now this is the most recent 4 hour highs. All right. And we get the most recent 4 hour lows down here. Now we go to the 5 minute. All right. So now on the 5 minute, now on the 5 minute, what do we see? We basically just trying to look for entries here on the 5 minute, right? You got this support here. Now we could come down here, reject, and then start going back up again. If you break that, wait for your some type of retest because of this freaking fake out here. All right. And if that happens, obviously you get more sales to continue down to this support. It's that simple. It's that simple. Losses will happen in trading. There's nothing you can do about it. So it is what it is. If we break below 163,600, 163,430, GJ should continue dropping back to this support. Question is, can we break this? Can we break below 163,600? That's the question. This candle closes in 4 minutes. I need to see how this candle is actually gonna close. Uh, do, 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 do. Yeah, we could still fall, especially if we break below 163,600, like I said earlier. But we could break that and then reject 163,435 If that happens, then we could possibly just reject it. Hold on. If that happens, then we could possibly just reject it, retest for us to start falling again. Or we could just break through it and then we test this, we test 163, 435 and then start dropping. But at the same time, there's still possible buys here. Oh, what the hell? Oh, there's still possible buys right here. Man. So, this is the NAS trade I missed. Yeah, I missed the NAS sell. I was looking at EJ. The sale happened when we took the first EJ sale that we took. Um, this candle right now, I would like to wait for this candle to actually flip bearish and then flip bullish again to create a bottom wick. Uh, I just need at least 10 pips to at least close out this London session in profit. How you think there's still more sales incoming for NAS? Possibly. Because we got a demand around 11,500 though. Plus, if I don't catch NAS right now, I mean, I could still catch it during New York session, so or even pre-New York, so I'm not tripping. Alright, and this is why I'm not in the buys yet. Because we could still come down and break this support. Yeah. Same thing we did on GJ. Let's do it here too. Alright. Based off the 4 hour. Resistance here. That's the highs. And we got the low here. Go to 5. Alright, looking at this on the 5. Got 5-minute support. Alright, and we got our 4-hour lows at around 142.450. So at this point, EJ needs to break below 143.050 to take sales. Yeah, GJ could continue falling. If we break below here, then I'll be looking to take sales. All right. And if we're gonna go bullish, entry around 163.835 should be good because we will be breaking the highs, and that should be good if you're gonna take buys. So now I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna break below, retest, and boom, I mean. Good morning, Shahid. No, I'm not in Zambia. I'm not in Zambia. I live in the United States. Good job on the GJ sales today, J. Smith. A lot of traders don't understand or know how to cut their losses short. The loss we took on GJ, if I let it hit my stop loss, I would have lost 25 pips, but instead I lost 8 pips. The loss on EJ, if I had left it to hit my stop loss, I would have lost 18 pips. Instead I lost 7. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, man. Always cut your losses short. Cut your losses short and try to keep your winners running. For example, if we are taking these GJ cells, obviously we'll still be in. Even though I would have taken partials at 10, 15 or 20, whichever one I see first, I'll still be in. And the entry would have been somewhere here once this candle started breaking these lows. And this thing already came down 50 pips. Oh. The break and retest we discussed in class. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely what it did. So if we tested both zones, that's what I was saying. The trade, the buys and the sells could have went either way. Big confusion here. Not clean at all. Because previously, now this was before all this happened, right? This was before all this happens. The sell that's happening right now. Now we do have what, a support here on the 5 minute. Here on the 5 minute. And what did price do? Oh no 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 no. What am I doing? So price broke it, came down, rejected. This candle flipped bullish. Next candle bearish candle rejected it, and then this bullish candle break through the freaking minor resistance, and we took the buy. And honestly, the buy should have worked. The buys was way better than the sells. The sells should have happened here at the 4-hour highs. That's where the sales should have happened, not here. So that's what I saw, and that's why I took it. That's why I took the buys. So it was a freaking good trade. I don't care what anyone says. Oh shoot, gold is melting? Oh man. Well, I guess I'm not meant to trade gold or NAS today. Alright. Yeah, I know that. I took sales earlier on with GJ with the VIP. Took sales earlier. So my buyers was already bearish. But as soon as we broke above these 5 minute lows, it's like, okay, no matter what, if we're gonna reject at all and start falling again, we should get to the 4-hour highs at least. And that was what I was expecting GJ to do, but it did not do that. So it is what it is. It happens. Yeah. The example that I'm explaining here on GJ. Man, let me just do it here on the 4-hour. So let's go to gold, and I will show you guys the example. Because this sell right here, if I saw it, I'm definitely would have taken it. Now let's go to the 4-hour. Let's do this together. All right. So 4-hour highs. All right, 4-hour highs. Before that candle freaking flip. and 4-hour lows. We got that down. We go to the 5-minute. Just look at this. Just freaking ranging. Freaking ranging. This candle here would have been my entry. That would have been my entry right there. Then we got what here? We got a support, 5-minute support right here. We got a 5-minute support right there. And remember, this is gold. First TP would have been down here. You secured at least 30 pips if you didn't take no partials. And then you just keep going. And then you get your 4-hour lows here. In between the 4-hour lows and the 4-hour highs, you have what? You have multiple TPs. You got another 5-minute support here. That's another TP for you. And it's about to touch that. Now, guess what? This is 77 pips. Now, guess what? Now that we're trying to get to this 5-minute support, if we break below this 5-minute support, right? If we break this 5-minute support, we could either break it, give you some type of retest, and then continue. Now, if you take sales below this support, we could also reject this support and start going bullish. If we reject this support and start going bullish, man, I'm talking too much. Anyways, if we start breaking, if we reject this support, now guess what? I'm gonna look for buys because we have gaps here that needs to be filled. So I'm gonna take my buys and target all this right here, fill up all these gaps. But if you break below this 5-minute support, then I'll be waiting for a big, some type of retest and a continuation. Now, if we fall, guess what? We got another 5-minute support. We got a 5-minute support right here, and we have a 5-minute resistance. Right? If we fall, now you have a TP zones that you could target. Simple as that. That's how you do it. Alright, now we're rejecting this. Now what I'm gonna do with GJ, if GJ start crossing 163,435, I'm taking my buys. I said buys, I'll be taking sales. See how we rejected freaking 163,435 on GJ? Alright. See what EJ is gonna do here. See, maybe I'll even take both EJ and GJ sell. We'll see. But I need this candle to close bullish. If it flips bearish, I'm not taking it. I need it to close bullish. Good job, Saeed. You took the gold sales? Oh, you missed it too, like me. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. But I'll catch you down in New York, though. I'll catch you down in New York. EJ does not give me what I'm looking for. Maybe um, GJ will give it to me. If this candle closes like this, you got more sales. That's what entry will be. There could still be a better entry here on EJ. It depends on what this candle does, this new bullish candle. But as far as GJ goes, the same thing on GJ. But best entry here on GJ is gonna be below this freaking fake out here on the 5 minute to the left. That's below 163.435. That's the best entry here on GJ in my opinion. You took a sell already on GJ again. I think you should have waited because, like I said, GJ could go bullish again from here. And if this thing start falling, the final target is the 4-hour lows. Same thing on EJ, final target the 4-hour lows. But you do have some support here. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, of course, it's right there. The 4 hour is right there. This weekend 4 hour support. I mean 5 minute support. Because if you look at the 4 hour, previously when we got to that zone, we rejected it and then we started going bullish from there. So the same thing could happen again. That's why if we break below it, plus you have what? A potential weak fill here on the 4 hour. You've got a potential weak fill on the 4 hour. So if GJ breaks below 163.435, it should continue all the way down to 162.618 to fill up this week. Looking at the 4 hour. Alright. EJ still retesting this 5 minute support. So we'll see what EJ is trying to do here. EJ has been paying me all week though. Paid me once today, then took it back again. Right. If this thing breaks above this resistance, I mean this support, we're creating resistance here to the right. I'm gonna look for buys. Even though we do have a bearish pattern here on the 4 hour, which is we came down, created a lower low, lower high. Now we're right at the previous lower low that we created previously. So if we break that, we should continue fill up this week and then create another lower low here. But if we do not, then we could potentially start pushing up again. If EG and GJ come down, I think I'm gonna just take both of them. So sales is still in play until we break above this support on EJ, and the same thing on GJ. I'm sure they didn't take it, at least not yet. And actually, I'm gonna wait until 4 a.m. guys. I'm gonna wait until 4 a.m. probably like 4:05. I'm gonna wait until 4:05. Gonna close in 2 minutes. And while we're still waiting, guys, so if you're looking for a good and reputable broker, I strongly recommend Hanko Trade. With Hanko Trade, you can either use MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. And with Hanko Trade, the two account types I do recommend is either ECN if you have at least $100, meaning less than $1,000. But if you have at least $1,000 to deposit, then go with ECN Plus. Now, Hanko Trade spread starts from 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, negative balance protection, very good low commission, and you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus. But if you do that, make sure your leverage is not more than 1 to 200. But if you do not need a matching deposit bonus, then you can just use the maximum leverage, which is 1 to 500. So if you're interested in getting started with Anchor Trade, you guys can use my link down below in the description. And let's see what EJ and GJ is doing. Alright, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. Whoa, you gotta be freaking kidding me. Alright, I'm gonna wait for that candle to close at this point. Oh man, would have taken this. I wasn't expecting it to freaking fall like that. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna wait on EJ here, guys. And GJ, alright, GJ is pulling back, which is what was expecting to see. Wanted it to retest this support here. See if it's gonna respect that. If this candle flips bearish or keep retesting it, I'm gonna take the sells. Because now we have an engulfing candle that broke these minor lows. So if we have a bearish root candle here, I'll be taking the sells. Just gotta keep going back and forth between freaking EJ and GJ now. Yeah, it absolutely is. It works, J Smith. I mean, you know, you've been using it. It definitely works. You might have a few losses here and there, but it absolutely works. Absolutely works. As long as you know how to find your zones and you know how to look at a higher time frame and stuff like that, which is what the webinar is going to really be all about, and including this strategy, including NAS, gold. And there's four different parts to the strategy I'm talking about, and everything is going to be taught in the webinar. If you don't know how to find your zone, after the webinar you will be able to, because it will be recorded and everyone is going to get the recorded video sent to your email. So you can keep watching it over and over and over and over and over and over again until you get used to it. Alright. So I'm not using the paid version of TradingView. That's why. Plus, when I was using it, it was useless to me. I wasn't like, so I canceled my subscription. But I think I'm gonna get it back, because I don't think you can use multi-screen. As long as you have a big monitor, then you can split your screen. And I do have a big monitor, so I'll probably I'll probably get my subscription again. So I might resubscribe. But if I do it now, it's not gonna let me do it. Yep, there you go. It's not gonna let me do it. What the hell? Shit, my monitor is shit, my monitor is big. You want me to resubscribe again? Alright, so GJ is still retesting it. I like how this candle closed. Oh man, I got a freaking pee so bad. And I'm just freaking here. I mean GJ. What the EJ is tripping. New 4 hour candle is about to open there. So if GJ does not drop, I'm done. If it does not drop at least to this freaking 5 minute minor support here, I'm done. I'm completely done. EJ tripping freaking today, man. GJ was the only one that had good moves today, decent moves. We got about 7 minutes. Um, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, but I will be watching this on my phone, and if we do get to 10 pips here, I'll update you guys. I mean, you guys should know when you get to 10 pips, and you should know how to take partials and move your stops to break even. But I will update you guys regardless. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Man, EJ playing. 4-hour candle opens in freaking 3 minutes. I would have gotten it with this engulfing candle. Just happened to miss it. But we should continue falling. let's see if I got it in here. Yeah, that's 20 pips. Oh, what the hell? Your target is 162 800. Yeah, that's a target too. 163,014 is a target. Yeah, 163,830, 162,800 is a target. Then 162,618. That's the 4-hour lows. 4-hour candle just open. We could either continue bearish here, or we could get another pullback, or retest before we start falling again. When I trade London session, I really like to be done before the 4 a.m. candle, my time. Oh, you move your stops to break even? Oh. If I don't get 10 pips, I don't move my stops. I'll just cut my loss short if worse come to worse. Because of the 4-hour candle? The 4-hour candle broke it. Previous 4-hour candle broke it. But what I do know is that eventually this wick has to be filled. We broke all the lows. Even here on the 4-hour. But just gonna see what's gonna happen with this trade, and then I'm going to bed. EJ, like, I'm completely done with that one. Like, it's freaking tripping. And today, GJ seemed to be the one following behind EJ. Usually, EJ follows what GJ does. But today, GJ is following behind EJ. Oh, Nigel is not here anymore. He left. See, what's that his favorite song again? Oh, that's Tyra. Tyra Shante. Alright, this is what happens when the 4-hour opens. When the 4-hour candle, new 4-hour candle opens, this is what happens. That's why I was saying we could continue bearish, or we could get another retest. The crazy part is we could go up, we test this previous support 163, 435, or freaking we test 163, 600 again, and then start falling. But fine. I have to guys be careful with the 4 hour week. Man, why do I have this trend line here? Can't remember why I have that trend line there. Oh, that was when I was trying to take sales. He said glad I break even. Man, boy, oh boy. Yeah, this happens sometimes when new 4 hour candle opens. That's why I really like to be done before the 4 hour candle opens when I trade London session. Even when I trade pre New York or right when New York session open, which is 7 a.m. my time, like I want to be done within an hour. So that's good. I mean, I'm still up for the week, so it is what it is. Um, right now, I'm just trying to figure out where I'm gonna freaking cut my losses short at, because this is different here. Uh, because we could retest the same freaking support again and then start falling, and my stop loss is above that. Um, I'll get out here. I'll get it at 163, 522. Now with this trade now, if I get out here at a loss, that definitely means I made no money today for London session. Nah. Man, today I wish I didn't miss this gold, the gold sales and this freaking NAS sales. Just freaking missed both of them. Well, this candle closes in 1 minute. Alright, you should be falling now. Like you should not go past this freaking support. If it goes past that, I'm out. If this candle right now flips bullish and start breaking this candle freaking highs, I'm getting out. I'm done. I'm done. When you're in a trade and then a new 4-hour candle opens, it could continue in that same direction, or you could get a freaking minor pullback and then it will continue again. So at this point, this is still really a pullback until it freaking breaks above this support. If it breaks that, then this is no longer a pullback. We're looking at a possible trend change, and we could have another pullback, another sell continuation at this 5-minute support. This 5-minute support. So 163, 522, I am out. If you want to take some money from me, you're not going to take more than that. Nope. GJ is trying to make me have 2 losses in a row. You're lying, man. Come on, man, just fall. You're not supposed to go past this freaking level. Man, that's fine if you want to retest it again, but man, you're not supposed to go past that. Because if you do, I'm getting out. How are you laughing? It's the truth. Even though it could still freaking retest the freaking 163 600 just to freaking create a double top and then start falling again. But I'm not gonna be here for that. Mm. It's not there yet. I'm getting that at 163 522 because This is the 4 hour candle for you. All right. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I am out this time around. This is negative 13 pips. All right, 2 losses in a row today. It is what it is. I am absolutely done. I'm absolutely done. All right. Uh, Win rate just today, for the month of September, win rate went from 87. When I started this stream, it was at 87 to 63. But it's all right. We're gonna get it back there. It is all right. Yeah. See what I said? GJ is just following behind EJ today. EJ completely rejected. Broke above the support. Now, if EJ freaking should pull back to this support, it should continue pushing up. So that's that, guys. Um, well, that's today's session, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is NFP. Obviously, that's New York session. I won't be trading during NFP, but I will trade London tomorrow. I will trade London session tomorrow, but I will not be trading New York. I do not trade NFP anymore. So, God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Said I would get that back? Absolutely. I would definitely get it back. I'm not tripping. Overall, for the week, I'm still up. And these 2 losses that we took today, okay, we're gonna make it back tomorrow. Tomorrow. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.